How to use time in a sentence. On time. The train left on time. In time. Don't worry, we'll be in time to catch the train. In good time. We arrived in good time for the coach trip. Just in time. We caught the train just in time. Only just in time. We were only just in time to catch the train. In the meantime. We have an hour before the film starts, so in the meantime, shall we go for coffee? It's about time. I think it's about time I got a pay rise. Sentences. To avoid stress, I made sure to arrive in good time for the interview. We only just made it in time for the coach. The project was completed on time, right on schedule. Isn't it about time something was done about that empty building? If we don't arrive at the theater in time for the start, they won't let us in. My friend will be here in 2 hours, so in the meantime, I'll do some housework. We thought we'd be late, but we arrived just in time to see the start of the film.